Protect my family. Guide us through the long winter. Keep the fire burning bright. Grandma Anya's trembling, gloved hand reaches for the snare. Delicate danger, the leopard whimpers.
The snare wire snaps, a sharp release. Blood instantly freezes. Momentary relief, continued urgency.
Grandma Anya struggles toward her cabin, a beacon of hope. Blurred vision, a final, desperate push.
Grandma Anya's trembling hands desperately rekindle the embers. A fragile, desperate fight for warmth.
Easy now, little one. The warmth will find you.
Grandma Anya cleans the leopard's raw, injured leg. Delicate healing, pain, and warmth in the cabin.
The spirits of the forest watch over you, little leopard.
The baby snow leopard's chest rises, falls. A contented purr, bandaged leg. Grandma Anya sips tea, gazing at the post-storm landscape. Quiet triumph, awe at nature's power. Grandma Anya shovels a path. The baby leopard peaks. Slow recovery, resumption of daily life.
Grandma Anya's hands repair the cabin wall. Diligent craftsmanship, enduring resilience against the snow.
Grandma Anya strokes the sleeping leopard. A rare, soft smile. Grandma Anya watches the playful leopard. Quiet joy, light-hearted recovery, simple joys of life.
There you go, my hungry friend.
The baby snow leopard's curious eyes reflect firelight, pupils dilated, sensing new surroundings. Grandma Anya opens a chest of traditional crafts. The leopard watches. Grandma Anya's fingers meticulously weave fur. Quiet craftsmanship, enduring tradition, warm fire glow. Grandma Anya watches the leopard stalk string. Bittersweet observation, recognizing nature's call, its wild destiny.
The baby snow leopard's paw, unbandaged, flexes strongly. The wound healed, wildness returning.
Grandma Anya's weathered hands hold a riverstone talisman. Quiet contemplation, spiritual connection to land. Grandma Anya's eyes, filled with peaceful wisdom, reflect a long life lived in harmony. Yakusha's vast, sunlit landscape unfolds. Grandma Anya's cabin.
Grandma Anya stands outside, resolute against the vast horizon.
Grandma Anya gathers sparkling snow into a bucket. Simple, enduring daily routine, self-sufficiency.
Grandma Anya melts snow over the fire. Steam rises, filling the cabin.
Bubbling water in the pot, steam rising vigorously. Firelight dances, essential life-giving warmth.
Grandma Anya pours warm water into a wooden bowl. Quiet ritual, comfort of warmth, enduring tradition.
Grandma Anya drinks from the warm bowl. Eyes closed, savoring warmth, profound gratitude and peace.
Grandma Anya's gnarled hands clasp a warm wooden bowl. Profound comfort, inner peace, radiating warmth.
Grandma Anya watches the sunset over Yakutia. Enduring strength, eternal beauty, and profound peace. Grandma Anya watches the sunset over Yakutia. Enduring strength.
Grandma Anya sleeps peacefully, firelight dancing on her face. Profound rest, well-earned peace.
Glowing embers fade to darkness. The cabin falls silent. Quiet transition, the ever-present cold.
A delicate ice crystal sparkles on a frozen branch.
Yakutia awakens at dawn, painted in soft pinks. Renewed hope.
Grandma Anya watches the sunrise. Quiet strength. Grandma Anya performs her morning routine, lighting the fire, preparing tea, a comforting, peaceful rhythm. Grandma Anya holds a carved wooden bird. Reflection on freedom. Grandma Anya places the carved bird on her windowsill. Enduring hope, freedom, interconnectedness of life.
We must bend like the birch tree in the wind, but never break. That is the secret to a long life.
Yakutia's vast landscape at sunset.